I made some big changes in my workflow in the last few weeks, and I really hope this is going to help my channel grow, because at the rate I've been going for the past 3 years, it's not been good. And if I continue to do what I've been doing for the past 3 years, I'm either one, going to stop this channel, or two, I'm gonna quit YouTube. And I really don't wanna do either one of those. Here are 3 key factors on why I decided to change my workflow. Point number 1, my videos are boring. Yes, I hate to admit it, but after watching some of my past stuff and watching my current stuff, absolutely boring. No story, just B-roll, pretty pictures. Look at these pretty pictures with no context, with no reason to watch. Let me ask you a question, and quickly down in the comments, put A or B. Which clip would you prefer to watch? A or B?
This cube was from the world's fastest cuber, and he gave it to me.
Correct. B, of course, because there's a story. Something got you involved. You're like, oh, what's gonna happen next? Prime example of why my videos are boring. Point number 2, video retention. Most of you guys watch my video on an average of 23% of the video. Some of the larger YouTube channels, 60%, and that's throughout the whole video. That blew my mind. So I asked myself, how are they able to get people to watch their video for at least 60% of it? And it comes down to story. I did a quick experiment. I did this quick little video just heavily based on story versus my other video style or workflow, and I was shocked. 50% from 20. So that right there was like, bing, the light went on in my head. I knew that I'm doing something extremely wrong and I need to get back to telling a story. Point number 3, intro hook. And you know what? I very much failed at doing that. Hey, welcome back to another video. This is Patrick Levar. Smash that like button, do all that jibba jabba before you even watch the video, because I'm already boring you. Instead of, hey, in this video, I'm gonna show you how I changed my workflow and how it improved my storytelling. Much better, right? My new workflow. So what's the difference between my new workflow and my old workflow? Well, I'm scripting my videos now. I never used to script before. And you know what? It's actually making everything so much easier. Shooting times are more manageable. What to say is more easy. Like, it's just so much more funner doing it this way. One example is, as I'm writing the script, I'm actually coming up with all these extra ideas that I normally don't get when I'm just randomly shooting footage. I'm getting all these extra ideas that I can actually throw into the story, which actually just makes the story more interesting. I used to do this in the past when I used to vlog all the time, and story was heavily in all my videos. But as I slowly progressed, I stopped vlogging and stopped telling stories, and it was the end of telling stories. With this whole new workflow, I'm not looking to try to gain millions of subscribers, but I am looking to get 10% better with every video that I do. If you're interested in to see what happened on how I took some boring B-roll at the grocery store and made it into a story, take a look at this video. Remember, Patrick Levar, keep filming. It's the only way you'll get better. Peace. And oh yeah, to all my motion cam folks out there, this was all shot on the motion cam. Woohoo! Raw, 10-bit raw for my Samsung Note. This is